It's not easy. It's not easy nesikipha siyasho. Yabona wile Mzumbe. Washo ubaba wathi uMzumbe ufile. Kulungile-ke sengiyikhona-ke. Ngizowuvusayo manje uMzumbe-ke mina-ke. Lo muntu bafowethu amathanga azobuyela esikhumeni. Zindlu zizoba right bafowethu. Sengifikile-ke mina-ke manje qathatha. Mina usibindi igidigi.
Umpumelelo decided to go to Mzumbe after a episode here, Masamsaleko and Maqele. We still remember on Uthandana Temple, season 9, episode 5. Masamsaleko and Maqele, they went to Mzumbe. Masamsaleko was like, no one is staying here. Can you please beg Lwandle to come and stay here? Usnena uhambile usese park. Maqele was like, I'm gonna talk to Lwandle, guys. And Maqele was happy. No one is in Mzumbe. Now she'll be in charge. Do you still remember the wives? They were complaining. Maqele ku season 6, season 7, saying Maqele, she doesn't stay in Mzumbe, but she wants to control Mzumbe. Now Mpumelelo libhubesi lase Mzumbe selibuyele ethi liyalungisa, guys, and people are saying we knew Vele gonna come back to Mzumbe just because Maqele also wants Lwandle to stay in Mzumbe, guys. So it is what it is. Mpumelelo is ready to fix Mzumbe because Masamsaleko wants everybody to fix Mzumbe, guys, and he's blaming on everybody except himself. So it is what it is. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, a comment, a happy Monday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.